Yo, what's the demo? Rolling High Squad, we back with another banger today, man. Out here getting ready to do the yard up, you know, we finna put some more mulch down. Getting ready to, we already put down these little lights for at night to go around the walkway. And after all that finished this evening, my boy Warren, he wanna put some rock lights on his truck, so we getting ready to put some rock lights on his truck. I think he gonna go with like 6 right now. Probably more. I'll probably put some more on mine too. I ain't sure, but we gonna put some rock lights on his. So, cause we got this meet coming up. Saturday. 5-star curation, them boys throwing a little meet. So everybody getting prepared. I'm gonna drop mine. I'm finna go ahead and squat it. See how that squat life look. I ain't gonna squat it too hard, you know, would it be like that? I don't want all that, but it's gonna have a nice little squat to it. So we gonna go to the store, go get what I need for that at the parts store. And man, y'all stay tuned to the channel, man. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn the notification bell to know when you know when all the videos drop. Be the first one. Don't forget to comment also. Man, I'm finna get to this yard. Try to finish the yard up, man. Let me show y'all what I got. So we got these. Got some of these little lights. They gonna glow up at night. We got like 10 of these for a good little price at Home Depot. They were like for 10, like $60. So we finna clean this up. Clean the bush up. Get it back on. You know, looking decent, neat. And we gonna rock out. I need to wash this, baby. I ain't washed it a couple days, man. And man, let me know what y'all think about my new intro, man. I'm talking about, man, that intro clean, man. I like that one. So yeah, man, y'all let me know what y'all think about that old intro, man. But in the meantime, between time, man, y'all stay tuned to that channel, man. We finna try to turn up a little bit today, man. Try to update some stuff. Yes, sir. Man, hey, before I even get started though, man, show me a piece of, man. Look at these big ass niggas. Pretty decent. I ain't really a pizza fan. Pizza alright, but I ain't really no pizza fan. It's alright. Eat some big meats though on this thing, man. Alright, man, let me start bullshitting. Go ahead and start. Time to chop some stuff now. Yes, sir. Get this together. I forgot this thing electrical. I gotta plug it up. Chop these woods up, these bushes up. These things nice and square. I should call rolling high into that. What y'all think, man? Put that rolling high off in that thing, man, when you pay by the crib. Like, man, that's rolling high house. Yes, sir. Now let me plug this stuff up. I'm gonna go get some safety glasses, man. Safety first. You know, show y'all how to mess up a bush. Hold up. Ladies and gentlemen, that's how you mess up a bush. Get this all lined up. Get this piece, you know, the outside of it lined up pretty good. And we're gonna rock out like that. I'll be back. Whoa, I'm back, man. I'm back, dog. Man, I've been out there motherfucker sweating, you know. Me and my fiance, we've been sweating, trying to get the yard right. We got a little bit mulch down. But we're gonna put that to a pause on the way to my boy crib. So we can hook up his rock lights. The high country y'all seen, keep up with John. Yes, sir, man. Y'all do me a favor and go to his channel, check him out, hit that subscribe button. Look like one of them boys with 5 stars just passed me up. That boy clean too. Yeah, man, we on the way over there though, man. We gotta go pick up some stuff. Pick up rock lights, then we gotta pick up some little bit more stuff. Then I'm gonna go see if they got that that 2-inch drop shaft or whatever. So I can squat my truck a little bit. See how that look. Ride with the squat gang for the weekend. So I'm gonna see how that shit goes. But in the meantime, between time, man, I'm gonna turn the camera back on once I meet up with Jones. So y'all stay tuned. Yo, man. We've been riding around like 3 hours, man. Trying to find these lights, man. Everybody got rock lights now, man. I ain't telling about it.
Oh, man. So stressful trying to find this. Only got one pack, we're supposed to go with 2. With 8 of them, but we got this 4 for right now, so we're gonna see what they do. If they bright enough, we'll go back and buy another pack. Probably offline. We headed to the house, man. Big country about to shine.
Shine, man. Hey, this shit crazy, though. Everybody buy rock lights, and they went up on the price. Bro, I used to buy them bitches. $24, dog, exactly. They done went up to $44. And the taxes is ridiculous in Louisiana, so they really like $50 almost. Man, that's crazy, man. But we getting prepared for this meet. Y'all gotta stay tuned for this. Everybody getting right, like everybody doing stuff to their trucks for this meet. So it's gonna be big, like Webby used to say on that thing. Every time a boy in the field come on, it's gonna be big, you gonna be big. Man, y'all stay tuned, man. We on the way to the crib now, though. We're gonna try to install these babies. Alright, y'all, man, we done made it back. Get ready to install these babies. Look at that boy. Clean, man. We're gonna install these bad boys. LED touch pods. And they RGB. I might give me a set of them. I just hate the price of them. I do not like the price, but everybody buying them, so it's a demand for them. So you already know how that go. I'm gonna go ahead and install these joints. Not go wrong with it. And they thread of that tire. RBPs. Can't go wrong. Boy, update. And he put some what that shit called? The interior lights. You got them in the front and the back. So my boy getting ready, man. Ready for the weekend. We gonna be rolling for real, rolling high for real. Mine dirty today. Oh shit, dirty. That's gonna be alright. I ain't gonna wash it until Friday. But let's get to it. Shine the light on my black head. But man, look y'all, man, we still got a little problem going on, man. We finally got the lights to actually work on the truck, but the way the lights is made, and they got this little motherboard, and the shit ain't long enough, so we gotta do a lot of cutting. But we doing that, but we still ran into the problem in the back. His truck got a carpet then metal. We ain't got no screw that long enough to go up in there so you can push the wire up and pass that shit. Everything fucking closed because of the goddamn this virus. So I don't know yet, but I'll show y'all. Made the first hole, but it ain't long enough. The screw we got ain't long enough to make it go through the other hole so you can push the wire through it. So that's what we stuck at right now. So I don't know what we gonna do. Look like we ain't gonna be able to finish it tonight, or let we go to a truck stop see if they got a longer screw, but that's like our last hope for today. I'll be back. The vlog, say what's up to Rolling High Squad.
No.
I ain't telling people what's happening. Tell them what's happening.
Check it out.
They do, yeah, man. You ain't gotta be so hard on it, one.
This is my rough part. My nerves be shaking.
I got it, right. Hold the camera, right.
And that's another reason why y'all feel like that, because y'all like to trying to film too.
Man, we just started picking up the camera.
So look, so the yard look good, but we still gotta put some lights over there with plants and stuff. It's needs like it's dark.
The shadow, yeah.
But they so real bright, they good. I'm gonna get another box, so we put up in the flowers.
I can't never sit on my back here. Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Man, turn that thing off. Turn it off, man. We finally got it, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. But we finally got it. We got the wire in here. Make that sucker go up here. And we gonna go ahead and mount this side up, then start plugging in all the wires. So we rocking and rolling now. We know exactly what to do. You still got that drill bit? Let's get to it. We'll be back, man. We're gonna show y'all the results, man. Alright, y'all, so update. As y'all can see, my boy Shine got the flick going on. Get ready to hook up the back wires and then we'll be done. Just want to give y'all that little quick update. Next one gonna be we're gonna drop the trucks in the back. So y'all stay tuned for that. I know y'all want to see that squat game from me retarded. Y'all stay tuned though. We're gonna end tonight like that.